Hello guys, let's play Toca, boca.
Toca, boca.
I'm Olivia, my cake is downstairs. I'll play on my phone. Don't let it load. This is our bedroom. This is our bedroom with Katie. Oh, Katie's there. Mine is not there, but never mind. So, forgot to do this. Let's get a TV. Here. And a clock. You might need an exercise machine and a scooter machine. Perfect. Now let's do the bar kitchen. Looks nice. Where we can put this in our room. Okay, but no, we can't. Let's put it here. Let's grab a fridge. Just to take it this way. It looks better. Like this. Wait, let's move this out of the way. Move the wait, what up was in the bin? So then we look connected. And then we look here. Now we need the table. And we need the chairs. Need 2 chairs for me and Katie. Perfecto. Yeah, now I just need to open the fridge. I'll just get the food. Let's get this and 2 water bottles for me and Katie. Some avocado, a peach, a lemon. There's getting like everything, loads of stuff. I think that's all we need. Just add the milk. Our 2 water bottles to keep nice and cool. Peas, some bread, chicken, avocado, lemon, and don't forget the eggs. Oh yeah, this too. Now, yeah. Let's close the fridge. Now let's do the bathroom. Look at the toilet. Sink. Although we're gonna roll a mirror. Oh, this would be so nice for bubbling bath. We need a shelf. Wait, let's just put this in the bin. So, oh. No, don't go in the bin. Perfect. I'll go back to the bathroom. Now, hairspray, we need that. That handshake. More hairspray. Another hairbrush. Don't forget the toilet stuff. And now we got the towel. Can't forget the towel. Now let's see. I'm gonna check those dislikes. I'm just checking, so like and subscribe and share the video for part 2. Bye guys.